What's up, everybody? We're back again with November's newsletter, guys. We're pumped up. November was a great month, helped tons of buyers and tons of sellers participate in real estate transactions. More importantly, guys, just a quick outlook on what I'm seeing in the market. Obviously, we had Thanksgiving. We've still got some COVID variants that are coming out. We've got Christmas on the horizon. But my recommendation, what I see here, is the market will continue to remain strong. I think at the end of the day, if we price our stuff correctly as sellers, we'll continue to get multiple offers and we'll sell the property and we'll get you the most money possible. Buyers, if you've been patient, no better time to buy than now. There's always less buyers in the winter and even less buyers when it comes down to the holidays. So we're winter, we're holidays, buyers, good time if you've been on the sidelines and haven't got anything, great time to participate and get it back in the market. Again, as a brokerage, we are 190 agents strong, really pumped up, 7 offices throughout Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and Connecticut, and continue to grow. So if you know anyone looking to get their license or looking to come on, have them reach out to me and we'd love to help them out. Guys, with that, I look forward to a fantastic end of the year. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving, and I wish everyone nothing but the best for the holidays coming up, and we cannot wait to help you. Again, reach out anytime if you need anything real estate related.